Here is a Viture Beast glasses review. Viture Beast XR glasses costs $549. It is superior in every way because there is true power in Unleash. Nothing comes close with the Viture Beast has awoken. It is the biggest XR would you like. Now, as you can see, it has different models. The first one is the Viture Luma, which costs $399, Viture Luma Pro, which costs $499, and Viture Luma Ultra, which costs $599, and the Viture Beast costs $549. You can also select the size that you want. Is it regular or large? And for the description, it is a true power and it dominates the playing field with an astounding 174 inches 58 degrees FOV 4K line with 1200 pixels, fully private visual screen at a dusting 1250 nits brightness, combining never before seen Sony displays with cutting-edge Harman audio for an amazingly private way on watching on your XR. As you can see, this is the physical features of the Viture Beast XR. So it's like just wearing a simple glasses shades, but no one knows that it is already an XR wear. So if you're looking for an extraordinary XR, Viture is the right one for you.